Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Put Geesonic in pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes rapidly. On your phone, open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. Make sure visibility is active so devices can see each other. Once done, keep the phone within 1 meter of Geesonic to reduce connection errors and close media apps that might grab Bluetooth. This avoids timeouts and ensures the device appears quickly in the available devices list for the next step. Now, locate Geesonic in the phone's Bluetooth list and tap its name. If prompted for a PIN, enter 0000 or accept the pairing request. This secures the link and lets your phone authenticate the speaker. You'll hear a tone or see a stable LED when paired. Make sure the phone shows connected. Once connected, select Geesonic as the audio output in your music or call app. If audio doesn't play immediately, briefly pause and resume playback to force the stream. Finish by testing audio and hands-free calling. Play a song and make a short call. Listen for clarity and mic pickup. If pairing fails, unpair Geesonic from your phone, restart both devices, then repeat the pairing steps. This often clears cached errors. Make sure your Geesonic firmware and phone OS are current because compatibility issues can block connection. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on Geesonic per its manual, then pair again. That resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.